Australia here today. We are back with another video. We're at a creek in northern Tasmania and we're fishing with Celtas or bladed spinners.
With these lure bladed spinner, you don't need any action. You just need a one in.
Yeah, so all we're doing is casting them out in these small creeks looking for trout. We've already seen a few. We've had a little flick at this first pull. But yeah, like how they make the fish strike is they annoy the fish. This blade spins and disturbs the water, and the fish, they get annoyed by that, and since trout are such a territorial fish, they'll destroy that. So anyway, so we'll see when we've got a fish on. Yeah, we'll walk up there.
Walk up there.
Little brown on the Celta.
Change Celta a few.
Yeah, we've changed Celtas. One thing with fishing Celtas, you want to switch or lose a lot, because a lot of the times fish have preferences. It's a beautiful little brown. Make sure if you're fishing for trout and you catch a trout and you're going to release it, wet your hands first. It gives the fish the best chance to get back in the line. He hooked that with all three hooks out of the treble in his mouth. There we go. So now we'll get a slow-mo release on her. So that's it for this video on fishing with Celta in this creek. We've fished for about an hour now and we've caught 5. And so anyway, that's how we fish with Celtas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we're going to do another video in this creek today. It's going to be floating with worms, drifting with worms. So make sure to check that out too. Anyway, see you next time. Bye.